First, welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we shall be making a quick motor mount. Remember, we are still on our project. Still on our project of the pellet making machine. So keep around for more videos, and also comment in case of any inquiries. Thank you so much. So here we are. Draw a line will act as a mirror so that I get another pair of holes. Pick the mirror, then I select this and I select that. However, before that I need to give dimensions to this main. It's 10/2. So step is to mirror. Now I'm going to mirror that circle and this circle, about that. So this is it. Next step is to use sheet metal, and here I'll have to select 15 mm. That's the thickness that I want, and so do a flange, edge flange to the bottom. So the edge flange is 20 mm. That's where we are. So before this, actually can actually decide to make these slots once and for all. That's 25. This is 10. That's 25. This is 13.53. That, and from there actually going to get my center and do a mirror steel about that. About that. I want to check out this. It's 120. Delete that dimension. Check out this. So I'm still looking for something. Yeah, so there we are. I think this is it. And the next step, I'll try to mirror these slots also so that I can cut them out. Actually, supposed to be through. Yeah, like that. So next step is to reinforce this side, and I will do that. I'll first come, draw a center line. It's placed vertically. Now come to features, exit sketch, then I select plane. So I'll select this and select that. See? So there we are. On my plane, press Ctrl 8, then I'll do sketch. Remember, I'm making a triangle to reinforce the structure now. Yeah, so there we are. I'm going to use the mid plane, and I'll make this 15 mm. Don't do the merge. Yeah, so there we are. This is the motor mount. You can come here, select the surface you want, the view you want, then material. You can also use mild steel like that. Thank you so much.